Hey everybody, Joe Casaboni here, and today I'm going to tell you how to update your kit.com links to kit.co on your WordPress site. So first, if you don't know what Kit is, it's a great website that allows you to easily create any kind of kits for gear or like recording stuff, podcast stuff, things like that. And it automatically integrates with several affiliate programs, including Amazon. So you can see here that I have a few kits. I have your first podcast setup, my travel recording kit, and a couple of other podcast related setups. I'm also working on other ones, but this is a pretty neat tool that I've seen used by Pat Flynn and MKBHD. So I wanted to give it a try, and I've been really liking it. It's been, again, a really easy way to put together product lists that I think will be helpful to people. Now, you can see on the site here that there's an important warning: update your links to kit.co by December 8th. They have to change their domain from kit.com to kit.co. And so they have a tool to automatically do that for YouTubers. But when it comes to a WordPress site, they don't have anything to automatically do that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to do two things here. I'm going to install the find and replace plugin for WordPress that'll do a database search and replace. Then I'm going to tell you about Kit's official plugin. Let's go to plugins, add new. I will search for find and replace. All right, and we're looking for the actual, it's the search and replace plugin here. It's got 200,000 active installs. It's got the green icon with the line. So I'm going to install that now and activate it. And once it's active, I can go under tools to search and replace here. So on the search and replace screen here, I'm going to click search and replace. I would strongly recommend that you make a backup of your database if you haven't done this already. But I'm going to go to search and replace. And then here I'll type in the domain I want to search for, https://kit.com. I'm going to replace that with the new domain kit.co, https://kit.co. Now we can choose the tables we want to check here. I'm going to just do all of them. I have a fairly complex setup. I'm using Beaver Builder and a few other things, and I'm not sure exactly where those URLs have been saved. I am going to do a dry run though. So I'll do the search and replace with the dry run, which means that no changes are going to be made. It's just going to tell me the tables and the cells that are going to need to be changed, the number of changes that need to be made. Okay, so our dry run is done. 84 tables processed, about 13,000 cells need to be updated. If we click view details, we can get to the part where most of the changes will be made. I suspect that there are a lot of changes that need to be made in revisions, as I'm guessing where most of those changes will be. But I do have a lot of kit.com links here. So I have already made a backup of my database. So I'm going to select all tables again with the same settings. I'm going to turn off dry run. And we have two options here. We can export the SQL file with the changes. I would recommend doing this if you want to test on a local or staging site, or we can save the changes directly to the database. Again, I've already taken a backup. I've already run this test. So I'm going to do that, save changes to the database. And I'm going to do the search and replace. All right, and the changes have been made. The following changes were made to the database. These numbers match the dry run, which is good. So I'm going to do one more thing. Since I'm using Beaver Builder, I want to make sure that the Beaver Builder cache is cleared so that we don't run into any issues. If you're using a different plugin like WP Rocket or anything like that, I would recommend clearing the cache as well. So if we go to the front end of the site, and I'll scroll to the bottom, and I would expect when I hover over this, great. You can see in the bottom corner, the bottom left, that the link is now kit.co. If I click through, the link is working properly. So that is how to use the search and replace plugin to update your kit.com links. There is another plugin by Kit. You can easily share product recommendations, right? So if we click on more details, you can see that we'll install it, and then you can automatically embed your kit links so that the actual kits will show up on the page. So if you're working on a blog post, or anything like that. It'll actually use the embed protocol, the same protocol that's used for embedding YouTube videos directly into WordPress, and you can embed your kit links automatically. So that is 2 resources for WordPress that you can use with Kit. Again, if you have never heard of Kit, I strongly recommend you check it out. It's a really easy way to put together gear kits or product recommendations, and it automatically integrates your affiliate links. One question I had that I got answered was, do they take a cut of your affiliate income? They don't. So I have my Amazon affiliate link in here, and I will get the full commission because it's paid through Amazon. What they do is, if an affiliate tag or an affiliate link is not detected, they'll put theirs in. So if I link to anything on like B&H Photo, they'll use their affiliate link because I don't have one. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel for more great content.